I am super excited to show you guys how having an Instagrammable wall can benefit your business. How it can help attract more customers and bring in more foot traffic. It can even help increase your engagement across social media, and ultimately how it can help grow your community. So you might be thinking, what is an Instagrammable wall? Well, it is a visually appealing wall or backdrop that is designed to be shared across social media. So no matter what it is, an Instagrammable wall can really help create a lasting impression with your customers. This will really encourage those customers to share this on their social media to all of their followers. In this series, we are going to be sharing with you guys tips, ideas, and inspiration about Instagrammable walls and how they can help reflect your brand's personality and attract more customers. So if you are ready to take your business onto the next level, follow along for the rest of this series.